Well guys, what did you think of the coffee bean rolling pin? It's more of a fondant roller by the way I made the shape. It was a fairly simple project. As you can see, it was just one long cylinder, but that was my second attempt. This was my first attempt. Now this one I did outside of the pressure pot because it was too large to fit inside and it was a complete failure. You can see here all the bubbles I got in there and all the coffee just rose to the top. I think I even put too much ink in it because it didn't even set properly. It's still quite soft, and if you try hard enough, you can actually get it to bend. Now you can see the second one turned out way better. I learnt by my mistakes. I did this one in two separate pours. You can kind of see that by a line down the middle, and I jam-packed the mold full of coffee beans. Obviously the beginning of this video was a joke. Milk was never going to work, and it wasn't off milk either. I just changed the date on my phone. I turned this rolling pin about a week ago now, and my workshop still smells like coffee. I'm not sure the smell's even going to leave. If you guys have any suggestions as to what you want me to make next, leave a comment down below. For those of you who follow me on Instagram, you've probably noticed I've made a whole heap of new dragon eggs. If you guys are interested in purchasing them, they're on my Etsy store. I'll leave a link in the description. Well guys, I hope you enjoyed this one. I had heaps of fun making it. Now I'm not much of a cook, but I will attempt to make some dough and roll it out. If I succeed, you'll see it at the end of this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.